And we got my boy Nick's car right here, the pink Z. This joint hard. This joint really hard. All right, we got my boy and his wife's the Civic, the WRX. You know what I'm saying? Clean, clean. Got the J green, what's that? Fuchsia purple. Yeah, they go crazy. And then my boy Tay Z over there. Crazy lineup. Crazy lineup. That is Lotus joint. I don't know. I've never seen a Lotus like this. I've never seen a Lotus like that. Forged carboned out. That joint hit crazy. Is somebody in that joint? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, it's a kid in there. I was like, hey, yo. Oh, yeah. We got the Mozzie. Crazy. Nah, the Mozzie go crazy. I don't even know the name of this. What is this? MC20? I ain't never seen nothing like this. In the pearlescent, like the pearlescent white, it's different. Gold flakes. Nah, this joint is crazy. Yes, sir. Oh, and on 4Gs. And it's on 4Gs. This shit hit different. Oh, what's good, Brody? Chill. Yeah. Got the wide body super. It's hitting different. All right, you want to go to the whip? We gotta go this. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Being in DC, it got me talking in my PG accent, man. Feeling weird. Hold on. We got all the bikes. I don't know bikes like that, so I can't really tell you about these. These joints is cool though. Got the quad tips on the Batmobile. That's the Batmobile. That's what you call that. That ain't need no regular bike. Sheesh. All right. Now we about to, you know what I'm saying? We about to change it up a little bit. Got the King Ranch. King Ranch different. This is money right here. How much you think? Like 250, 300 for the. This one is crazy. We got Flacco's Lambo right here. His joint is stupid. Nah, his joint different. Hey, yo. No, we got everything out here. The SVJ. No, for sure. We got another G80. Got the gunmetal gray G80. Nah, his shit's fire. Love me some G80s, bro. Got the his and hers chargers, the matching wraps. They coordinated. Yeah, it's stupid. And then, for the car that I ain't seen in the break, about to show my car. The G80. Oh my God. I miss my car so bad. But they got her somewhat cleaned up. I don't know if she as clean as when I last saw her, but cause it's been here for a while, but it did a thing. Shout out to VGA Detailing for having me in their booth. You know, it's a dream come true. Cause I used to be at these joints when I was younger. Now, you know what I'm saying? We in it, so it's live. All my friends in it. It hit different. It hit different for sure. Yeah. And then we got the GT3 RS right next to it. So it's like, it's a different type of lineup. And then the 1 of 20 F80, that color is 1 of 20, or that I think that spec is 1 of 20. So that hit different as well. Sheesh. But as you can see, DMV on top. You know, it's not a lot of people that's really doing this, but we come different with it. We come different. We go GT3, we go G80, we go F80. We go whatever you want. We go clean old school Beamer. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you need. It's everything here. Yeah. The track focus Civic. Now that's different. Like, you're not matching everything. You see the reactions. The his and hers Chargers. You see the reactions. We it's different. We got a variety, everything. We got a variety. There you go. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, we're dipping out. Got the whip, got the bean ski. It's crazy that like I used to be a kid in this joint, and now I'm an adult with my car in the show. I used to just watch them. So, without further ado, had a lot of fun with this video. It's your boy, and I'm out.